Good morning and happy day after Thanksgiving. If you have a couple of guests lingering around, I have a student home for the holidays, which is amazing, and want to whip up a delicious, healthy breakfast, meat-free if you're Catholic, as am I have the best idea for you. All you need is some sourdough starter, some healthy, bubbling, and active sourdough. The bubbles. Check that out. Thick, healthy. And a jar of applesauce. Homemade applesauce, of course, is best. Known as the Jewish penicillin. Fabulous immune booster. But if you don't have your own handy, any jar of applesauce will do. Whip up a fabulous breakfast for the day after Thanksgiving. See how thick and healthy? It's almost like a dough. Use the remnants to feed and leave on the counter to start another healthy sourdough. Eggs, a couple of tablespoons of local raw honey, and then we'll live in large. And there's no added sugar in my applesauce, and only a couple of tablespoons of honey.